Just another night in California. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. True Jamaican vibes, fair Reid. Right now I'm on the Kingsland main road in Manchester. So I'm gonna give you a tour of Kingsland Meadows. So enjoy the tour of Kingsland Meadows. So I'm on the main road. So I'm gonna take you all to Kingsland Meadows. Very nice housing scheme. So I'm on the main road going towards Auchtembeddie, but I'm gonna make a right turn which will take us to Kingsland Meadows, right across from Sutherland Call Center in Manchester. So I'm gonna make a right turn which take us to Kingsland Meadows. So enjoy the ride. So on your left you have the Queensway Close. So right now I'm on Kingsland Drive. So when you're in Kingsland Meadows, you're like about 10 minutes away from Mandeville town, also 11 minutes away from the Mandeville Hospital. So if you're living in Kingsland Meadows, that's where you would go and do your shopping. So it's a very small community, as you can see, very small, and also have a gated I am back on the main road, so I will take in a while going to Spur Tree side. So that was a tour of Kingsland Meadows in Manchester. Manchester. Tree. So if you want your curry goats, you all can come to Spur Tree. Spur Tree, Manchester. Curry goat shop is on your left. I'm gonna show you. So this is the best curry goats. Yeah man, so if you want to know curry goat, you can stop right here. You get your manish water, you get your curry goats, you get your fried chicken, you get your cow foot. So when you're going to Mandeville or you're going to Santa Cruz, you all can stop at Clarendon top class restaurant. If you want your bathroom and tile and garage door, so you all can come to Designer Tiles. You can call 964-6203. So if you want your tile and your garage door, you can come to Spur Tree. Having a lot of traffic today on the road. Like it's gonna be a busy day today. So no place no nice like Jamaica, my people. Sweet, sweet Jamaica. Nice scan done. Yeah, I know a lot of persons miss home, want to come home and stuff, but because of the coronavirus, many persons cannot get to travel right now. So hopefully soon everyone can get to travel. Don't know when, but hopefully soon. So on your left, you have the Newark Estate. Very nice estate. So we're now in Spur Tree. If you make a left turn, it will take you to Swaby's Hope. Gonna make a left turn. So many places we can go in Jamaica. So I am in Spur Tree right now. looking straight ahead, you will see some windmill. That would be in Rose Hill, Manchester. See, they have the view in Spur Tree 2960215, like it's a new development, and you can see all over into all part. This is a very nice view. Can call that number if you're interested in any land in this area in Spur Tree. Like it's a new development, so you all can, and I'm gonna give you all the number again, so you, if you are interested, you can call that number. Look like it's a very nice area also, very nice area, very nice view too. So this area would be the view in Spur Tree, Manchester. So you all can contact 1876 296 0215 if you want to live in Spur Tree, Manchester. So I would heading back to the main. So thank you all for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Reid.